YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Concise the Barber, and here we are back with another Concise review. In this review, we are going to be talking about another blow dryer. I told you guys that I will be extending out to some more products, and this is from StyleCraft. This is the Instinct-X blow dryer, still in packaging. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's see everything that it comes with.
CTB, you know who it is.
All right, so the first thing I like talking about is the price, and right now, as I'm doing this video, it does have a sale, but the original price is $299.95, but right now it's on sale for $229.95. So honestly, you are saving about $70. So if I was you, it would be a good buy if you want to get it on the sale and after this video if you think this is the best for you. So let's get into this video. I want to talk about some things real quick, and I do like the fact that it does tell you hold the cool shot button for 2 seconds to shut off lock. So that information is needed, and if I was you, it's very, very important to understand that that's what you need to do. So right when you get it out of the box, that's some information that you need to know. So let's go ahead and let me get this thing nice and unraveled for y'all so we can see. So we can see how this thing sounds. This thing is very powerful. So let's talk about some of the, the specs real quick. If y'all didn't know, it has a digital display. So you can move it up right here. You'll see the fan and the temperature right here, and you can, it's like 3 speeds of temperature, or 5 speeds of temperature and 5 fans, right? Let me double check that for y'all. 1, 2, 3. No, so it has 3 speed options and 3 temperature options as well. One of the dopest things about this is that when you do hit the power button, it has 5 presets of the modes. So if you tap this, you see all 5 change right here, which I thought that was definitely dope to have those 5 presets that if you don't want to deal with the change in the temperature or the fan, you can just press those modes and you'll be good to go. So that's definitely dope about this, right? So let's get somewhat into the design. It looks like a fairly just a regular, a regular blow dryer. Nothing really like kind of stands out to it other than the fact that the color is white and has Instinct-X on it. Definitely dope. You do have this nozzle right here where you can clean off this filter. I definitely think that was cool, and it locks in. I do like that this does not just easily fall out, and it has a nice cool shot button. It sounds amazing. It does have a hanging hook area right here. It's not a twist knobble cord, whatever like that. I said that in a recent video before about blow dryers. I really wish they, as in the barbering industry, they can get into the swivel so the cord doesn't get tangled, but maybe that's something we can just work on. It does have 3 nozzles, just like the last one. It has 2 nozzles and 1 diffuser. And let me talk about these nozzles real quick. I do like the fact that when you put these in, it's like a snap, and you can turn them and they don't come off. It's really hard to get these off, which I actually like. So it's not the easiest thing to just interchange. You switch it out and then you pull it out. Same thing with the diffuser, and I actually like this one as well because it's not going to come loose, and this is definitely dope. Now let me talk about some things about this. I told y'all before in the last video, one of the things that I wish barbering companies will start to get into is having the comb for straightening hair, blowing hair out, even in a more efficient way. It's called a comb attachment. That's what I'm talking about. That's the attachment. Other than the diffuser and the 2 nozzles, a comb attachment I feel like would be necessary for barbers because it's getting so diverse right now in the industry. There are barbers that are braiding, and also it helps with just blowouts, to be honest. So that being said, I definitely feel like that'll be a dope thing to really get into. Also, what I like to talk about is the power. I will be doing a comparison video with the other blow dryer, but the power for this, RPM wise, is only 6. I'm saying only because the other one was different. It has 68,000 RPMs. If y'all seen the video before this, the wattage on the blow dryer is what really matters. And this blow dryer is at 1,875. So 1875 is an amazing place to be for a blow dryer. That means that this thing can blow out some heat. It can do a lot of things. It can work on coarse hair, fine hair, because you have all those options of how you can keep it cool, or it can rev up to that heat to where you need it so you can get your hair almost close to bone straight, especially with a comb attachment. But with the attachments that we have with this power of heat, that is really professional grade type of wattage right there. So Instinct-X blow dryer is definitely, like, to me, probably like #1 right now in the barbering industry, due to the fact that it does that. Also, it being under $300, this thing is really, really, really nice. That's something that I really wanted y'all to pay attention on, is the wattage. It has a lot of stuff with it. This also has a memory function as well, that you can set it up and it can, it can remember how you set the presets up and everything like that. Definitely thought that was dope. It is lightweight, it's not heavy. It has that jet sound like y'all just heard earlier. It also has an auto locking function, as y'all seen with the cool shot, that you hold it down for 2 seconds. Let me just double check. That's what it said. Hold cool shot button for 2 seconds to shut off lock. That's how you shut it off. So that is something that you guys want to pay attention to. Just honestly, not to say to play around with it, but get used to it. Look at the display when you're messing with this so you'll know exactly how you would like to use it, because sometimes something that does have a lot of options, it can get a little tricky or frustrating if you get like kind of confused on what to do. But you definitely have some options that you just want to really figure out. So just make sure that before you use this on somebody, just figure out what options that you like, what heat that you like, and go from there. Definitely think that would be dope. This is also said to have an Ionic Generator. Honestly, don't know much of that, but I will, study more into that to let y'all know exactly how beneficial that is. It also has autonomous cleaning. That sounds like a dope word. I can't tell you if I know what that is or not, to be honest, but I will look that information up. But the fact, it seems like it's just self-cleaning. That would be dope if that is the case. But to me, I know that if I'm able to do this and there's some hair right here, I can easily clean that out and just put this back on, and it's gonna stay locked. So this is, to me, a very, very dope blow dryer. I do like the size of it. Now, if you are a barber that has one of those things where you put your blow dryer in, I will say that this might not fit. I mean, it might fit, but it might fit like just a big hole. I don't want to say it like that. But if you have a station where your blow dryer can just either sit like this, or you have to put it in the hole, it might fit, it might not, I'm not really sure. But I would just say, if you're in the field of looking for a blow dryer that really has a huge variety of options, the Instinct-X blow dryer is a great blow dryer. I can't even lie to you. Now, I'm curious that there are universal attachments as well when it comes to blow dryers. I'm curious if any of them will be able to fit this. I'm not sure, especially with this locking feature that it has. It might just be unique. So I'm curious if it's going to be like how clippers and trimmers have guards. Now, the wall guards fit a lot of different brands and stuff like that. I'm curious if these attachments either fit other blow dryers or other attachments fit this blow dryer. So I might do some more study on that and let y'all know. But this is my concise review. Is this something that's going to stay on my station? Hands down, it is going to be staying on my station right now. For me, after doing this, review, after doing the testing of it, it is staying on my station, and it is #1 for me right now. Now, I will do a comparison. I will let y'all know out of all the blow dryers I have used, where does this stand up to. But at 1,875 watts, that's going to be hard to beat, and unless they're right at it, okay, cool. But this is like professional grade when it comes to blow dryer. So just want to let y'all know that. And for the price right now, being $230, I really don't see that actually being bad, honestly. And also, with my discount code, it gets even better, Concise 15. So go ahead and pick y'all up one if you're in the field of getting a new blow dryer. So definitely think this is dope. Shout out to StyleCraft for sending your boy this, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna do a comparison with another blow dryer, maybe a few of them all at the same time, and let's see what I have to say. Subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video. Be blessed.
CTB, you know who it is.